What's the meaning of celiac disease? Celiac disease. Celiac disease.
Celiac disease. Celiac disease. Celiac disease is a genetic autoimmune disorder that affects the small intestine. When people with celiac disease consume gluten, which is commonly found in wheat, barley, and rye, their immune system reacts by damaging the lining of the small intestine. This can lead to malabsorption of nutrients, weight loss, and a range of other symptoms including diarrhea, bloating, and fatigue. If left untreated, celiac disease can result in serious complications such as anemia, osteoporosis, and even cancer. The only treatment for celiac disease is a strict gluten-free diet.